Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to start an audio live on Spoon. So let's start. First open the Spoon app. When the app is opened you will see an interface like this. You have to tap on the plus icon at the top of the screen and then tap on Live. First you have to select the topic of your live. I'll select comedy. And then you have to select the category of your live. I'll set it to live only. You can set your live mode to live call or just live only. Then you have to give your live a title. Then you have to add hashtags. And then tap OK. Now you are done. Now you have to tap on Start on bottom right corner to start your live. And then tap OK. Now allow all the necessary permissions. And your live will start. And your audio live is now on broadcast. That is how you can start your audio live on Spoon. And if you want to end your live, then you have to tap on the cross icon on top right corner. And then tap on Yes. Now you will get to see the analytics of your audio live. And that is how you can start an audio live on Spoon. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.